I am back with another home project. So what happened was, a couple of months ago, I accidentally spilled black dye on my bathroom sink. So what I did was I ordered some marble contact paper from Amazon and decided to just basically cover the top part of the countertop with the contact paper. At first I was just like, okay, it's gonna be super easy, but what you guys will see is just me starting over a couple of times. There's a lot of lifting and putting back down and lifting because it's very hard to avoid air bubbles. This took me actually 2 hours to do, and when I was done I was just completely over it. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I did it. It was actually very difficult. I can't even lie to y'all, and I don't think I'm ever going to contact paper a sink ever again. But it's not impossible. I think that if you're bored at home and you just want to change around something in your house, then by all means definitely give it a try, but you definitely are going to need time and patience. Bro, whatever you do, do not use a box cutter. Watching this actually makes me cringe because I can see now all the scratches on the sink where I had made the cuts at, and it's just like, bruh, just use a scissor. Don't be lazy, because the box cutter will go through and cut the sink. So you guys won't get confused later on, this is my first attempt to trying to apply the paper. So my plan was to just place it down like how it is here and just cut out a hole somehow in the middle. I don't know where I got that idea from, because thinking about it right now, there's no way that the circle in the middle for the water to go down, there's no way it would have been even. Like, it would look so ugly. So I just took it up, and then I eventually replanned out how I was gonna lay it down, and you guys are gonna see that. At first I was using this little knife thing to get rid of air bubbles, but then, you know, it kind of wasn't really helping me out too much, and I just started using my hands. But tutorials I've seen on marble contact paper, they say you should use a straight edge to lay it down, but whatever works for you. If you can use it, fine. If it doesn't really work for you, you can just use your hands. Like, it's gonna be hard to get down the air bubbles either way. At this point, I just decided to place down the marble contact paper half and half. So I was feeling out where the opening of the sink was and measured out one side of the sink, and then I just cut it out, and then I used this as a template to do the other side. I was trying my best to make sure I was measuring out the pieces correctly. There are lines on the back of the contact paper, as you can see, so you definitely want to utilize them, especially when it comes to projects like this, because the sink could be very difficult. It's not like a table or something even all around, so you want to just try your best to get it as close to the measurements as possible. When I was editing this, every time I see me use the box cutter, I'm just like, no! Please, do not use it. Please don't. As you can see here, there are some areas that aren't quite measured properly, but what I did was I went back and just cut out smaller pieces to fill them. Right here, I was so annoyed because the other side that's supposed to go down on the right side of the sink got crumbled up. Oh my gosh. And I was just about to just scrap it and just start over, but I was able to like unravel it somehow. And it laid down pretty flat, so I wasn't too worried about it afterwards. But I was annoyed at first.
Perfect. Perfect.
Again, there were still open spaces, so I just tried to measure it out at first. But I'm just like, you know what? I'm hot, I'm tired, I was hungry at this point. So I just cut out little pieces to just fill the blanks in, and I called it a night. I really appreciate y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, but I'll see y'all next time.